Hi, I'm Christina. If you're looking for a new luxury townhome in Greenville, but you don't want to sacrifice on the space and features you've grown to expect, then you're in the right place. I think you'll find Copper Run checks off all the boxes for your next home. If convenient location is at the top of your must-have list, you can check that off here. Right off Woodruff Road, you're just 2 miles from I-385 and I-85 access. So whether you're headed to the airport or downtown for a night out, it's simple when you're that close to the interstate. Take a quick 1-mile drive and you're in the heart of Verdae. And as development continues in this area, Copper Run will be directly connected to Verdae. This makes everyday life even simpler, with doctors, dentists, and vets all in one area. And if you want to have fine dining but stay close to home, then be sure to check out Stella's Brasserie. Finding the right home is also about the community, so let's check that off your list. At Copper Run, you'll get to enjoy sidewalk-lined streets and a community fire pit, which is the perfect place to get to know your neighbors. One of my favorite parts about working with homeowners is seeing them light up when they select their designer finishes. Now you can make your Pinterest board dreams a reality with a large kitchen island and open floor plan layout. Your new home will give you up to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a flex room that can be what you want. Another bedroom, home office, home gym, or maybe a recreation room for game night. The choice is yours. No need to sacrifice on space since your townhome is complete with a 2-car garage. Extend your entertaining space by simply opening the door to your included covered porch with built-in fireplace, the perfect place to unwind after a long day. And at Copper Run, all of your lawn maintenance dreams come true, meaning you never have to do it again since lawn care is taken care of for you. So, what do you think? If you're ready to learn more about Copper Run, schedule a visit to come see us. I can't wait to welcome you home.